Hello, welcome back again. My name is NG as usual. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and how to set up Eclipse into your system. In the last video, I showed you how to install JDK. Now let's check if actually that's my setting. It's working. So you go to your menu. Let me search for command prompts. I need locate this here command prompt and click on it. Now let me type in Java and click enter. Now you see it's showing me all kinds of information about the Java installed into my system. So this actually means that the JDK have been installed. Now let me also check if the path setting is correct. Type in the keyword javac and click enter. You see it's also showing me, so it means that my setting and both my installation is correct. So let's move over and install Eclipse. Just type in Eclipse IDE and click OK. It's gonna show if my browser is not that slow. Alright, so let's click on this link right here. So you will download you have to download this. Let's go to this. Alright, this one right here. So this is the one you have to download. Eclipse IDE for Java developers, sorry. Do not make the mistake to download this one, though you can also use this one, but let's use this one. Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Now click OK. And it's gonna start. So let me download. Let's download it. In my case, I think I need. I'm sorry about that. I don't know what's happening right here. Let's go over it again. I need, if you are using a 32-bit system, you might want to download this one. If you are using Windows 64-bit, download this one. Depending on the system they have for Mac, Linux. So let's click on this one and wait for it to load. Oh, okay, these are all the links you can download from. Let me choose this first link. Let's wait for it to download. Alright, let's click on this one. And as you can see, my download have started. So this is my download. So let's wait for it to download. Now my download has finished. So this is the Eclipse that I just downloaded. So you have two ways to install this thing. You can either click on this thing and open it, then copy this folder and paste it to your desktop, or in my case I have a universal extractor, so let me just extract this file here. So it's extracting the zip file. Let's wait for it to. So this is the Eclipse that I've extracted. So if you have done this, then open the file and click on this guy right here, and let's wait for it to install. Let's wait for it to install. You might want to leave this setting like this. You might just want to leave it like this and click on here, but in my case, let me just add something here because I might want to delete this thing later. I already have a Eclipse installed in my system, so just leave the setting the way it is and click OK, and let's wait for it to install. Installing. Let me get rid of this thing right now. If my system could be a little bit faster. Alright, let's still wait for it. Okay. Alright, so this is the Eclipse. This is the Eclipse. So you can go over this overview tutorial, what's new, if you like, but let's just go to our workbench. Click on the workbench and this page is going to come up. So this is how to install your Eclipse IDE, and we are ready to start coding. So that's all for this tutorial. See you next in my next tutorial.